What is up, you guys? It's Jessica doing things differently, and today I have another Shewin haul. Now, I'm going to talk to you about the valuable experience I've gained from drop shipping clothing. So hopefully this video can inspire someone, because Shewin's mission is to make buying apparel easy and simple. That is what their mission is. They're constantly innovating with vibrant and personalized clothing styles. Shewin has all your fashion needs covered. They have purses and shoes and jumpsuits, two-piece sets, pants, shorts, and so much more. In drop shipping Shewin, I have found that they don't only offer top-notch products, but they also offer strong partnership support. They provide comprehensive sales supports and marketing materials such as product imaging, posters, and exclusive promotions. And as a single mother myself, or if you're a student, a housewife, first-time entrepreneur, drop shipping Shewin has brought me so much success and freedom, really. If you want to make your mark in women's apparel industry, then choose Shewin to become a dropshipper today. I have provided all the links to everything I'm going to try on in today's video in the description down below. If you want to get $10 off a purchase of $99 or more, then please use my code JessicaHorton10 for your savings today. And as always, let's go ahead and do the shout out of the week. And today's shout out goes to Vander799. So listen, I have gotten so much backlash over the products in my last video, and using them and not trusting the website, not trusting what everything is made out of, and so on and so forth. And listen, the only thing I'm going to say about that is you never know what you're getting from really any company. Any company can write anything they want to. I mean, obviously there are certain guidelines that some companies do follow or have to follow, and other companies don't. And to be completely honest, you don't, in my opinion, I don't really know what I'm getting anywhere I go. I'm going to take that gamble for myself. Let me take that gamble, you know? If it's $3 in comparison to $10 on a different site and the ingredients are the exact same, what's the difference? Because it's coming from a different company that you think more highly of, when in reality, the ingredients in a lot of these products are the same in both companies. So that's all I'm going to say about that. I do hope you guys are still enjoying the video. I understand that a lot of people are not going to agree with, you know, makeup and, you know, some face products and lotions and, you know, serums and washes and all that other kind of stuff. I know not everybody's going to agree with that from buying from certain companies. I don't mind it. It never hurts my skin, breaks me out, or does anything weird. So, I mean, if I'm going to take that gamble for myself, let me take it. So, and without further ado, without me keeping on gabbing, let's go ahead and get into today's video. All right, let's go. Okay, so we have all the items sitting right here. Here is the first little guy right here. I got this in a size small, and I believe that this is a dress. Ooh, this is gonna be so cute. So here it is. It's just a red dress, and it has ruching on both sides. And it's going to be kind of like a bodycon dress, more form-fitting, obviously. It does have a higher neckline, it's looking like. Also is ribbed, kind of. It's not like a deep rib, but it's definitely enough to be able to feel to the touch. And then it also has these little, it's almost like an inside out seam that they're doing. And I like that on here. And then it also has the same thing on the back as well. So I'm really excited to try that on. And the next guy I got, I believe, is a pair of jeans. I got these in a size 6. The last time I ordered pants off of Shewin, I did get a size 8. And while they did fit me, they were still a bit loose on me. So I figured I would go ahead and size down, which technically is not sizing down. It's really just my size. But I can wear anywhere from a size 5 to a size 8. It just kind of depends on the clothing and where I'm getting it from, as well as I'm sure a lot of women are very flexible when it comes to sizing. So here they are. They're actually a pair of shorts. They're a little bit stretchy. You can definitely feel that they have some stretch, which I did read in the description, which is also why I got a size 6. I like how it has this like little V right here where the buttons are. I also like the little buckle details it has right here and here. And then I like the fact that it has all of these buttons here. We also have the cuffed part on the shorts on the bottom, and then the back of them, 2 little baby pockets. Not big pockets, they're tiny little baby pockets. But these are just so cute. They're like a lighter wash, and I love this color of denim. I think it's really, really cute. It's not too light, it's not too dark. I do like this like in-between denim color, so hopefully those will fit me. Next we have a dress. This is in a size small, and this is a striped dress. And I saw this the last time I was on there and almost grabbed it, but didn't. So I figured I need to grab it this time. So this one is a longer dress. So we're going almost all the way down to your ankles, or about your ankles, depending on your height. And then we have this right here, which you can tie and kind of cinch up more, or you can loosen up and cinch down a bit more, but it just cinches up the side of the dress. And then we do have some ruching right here on the left side. And then at the top, it's just like a regular tank top dress. I can tell by the stretch of this and the look of this that I could have probably sized down even smaller to an extra small, but I do think it's still going to fit me, so we're going to be good there. And next, these must be the jeans, because I do believe I got a pair of jeans. These are in a size 6, and this is the kind of denim color that I like, where, again, it's not too light, but it's not too dark. It's kind of somewhere in the middle. That's the color I like. So here they are. They are wide leg jeans, but not too wide, but they are definitely, you know, more relaxed wide fit. And then it almost reminds me of like a cross between a boot cut and a wide leg. So like right in between there, because it's not too wide, but it's also not too thin like boot leg or boot cut is either. So then we have some distressing here and here, and turn them around. We have the pockets in the back. These as well have a bit of a stretch to them, but not too much, but just a little bit. And I think these are going to be super cute as well. We have like a little bit of fading with the lighter denim. I absolutely love these. These are so cute. I'm so excited for these. And then we have like a jacket, like a poofy fall / getting into winter jacket. Not quite a winter jacket, I don't think. I don't know, I haven't felt it yet, but it's this, hopefully. So I got this in a size medium, and I also got it in this tan brown color, because I have a lot of jackets and hoodies and stuff like that that are black, so I felt like I had quite a bit, you know, enough of those. But here it is. It's like a corduroy feel on the darker part, and then on the sleeves we have like that kind of like sheep material, if that makes sense. And then we have the nice little stripe on the hand, and on the inside it is a nice like silky material, and then on the inside of the arms it is the same way. And then here on the bottom as well, it has that stripe going in the back, and then it's plain. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. This is actually a little bit more heavy than I thought it was going to be. Really, if you had like a hoodie, you could put that underneath this, and I bet it would probably be enough for winter if you were just like out of your car running into the store, not like walking around in winter, you know, nothing like that. But I bet that would probably work. So lastly, we got a pair of shoes. I got them in a size 38. They are this like black and tan, black and brown on the side, black up here. And I just thought that these were super duper cute. They remind me of those shoes that have like the 2 buckles right here and here. Can't remember what they're called, but I'll pop up a picture and show you guys what I'm talking about. That's what they reminded me of, and I was like, oh, cute, yes. So they do look a bit small though, so hopefully they're not going to be too small, but they do look a bit small. In my last haul, I didn't get a chance to try on some shoes from there. I didn't get a chance to try on a jacket or you know, coat or anything like that. So let me get a few things that I haven't gotten in my last haul. That way we can kind of get a bigger feel for everything. You know what I mean? All right, now that we've seen everything, let's go ahead and get it tried on and see what we think. Woo. All right, so first off, we got this jacket, and while I definitely could have sized down, I did get a size medium because I wanted it to be, you know, like a little bit oversized. I kind of wanted that look, you know what I mean, to be a little bit bigger and comfier, you know. And I think I nailed it as far as like the sizing. I picked the good medium. I think that was a good job. And then I also got the shoes on. Yes, they look super duper dumb cute. I'll go ahead and put a little clip of the shoes and what they look like closer. But I love this coat. It reminds me of like streetwear. I just love it. It has the nice deep pockets, not too deep, but not too shallow. And I think this is just adorable. The quality is outrageously phenomenal. Everything about this is just awesome. So let's go ahead and try something else on. So you guys know I had to try the pants on next, and oh, shut up. These are perfect. They fit beautifully. I could have probably sized down a bit because I do have some room, but it's not like room like, oh my God, I don't think these fit me. I think they're a bit too big. It's room like, these are nice and comfortable and they're not too tight, and I can have them on for a long time and they're not gonna like push against my stomach and leave like those pant marks because they're way too tight. You know what I mean? And I just love how wide they are, but they're not like, you know when you have pants on sometimes and they're looser and you're like, but these just aren't it. These are it. These are everything I've ever wanted in jeans like this in this style. I love the distressedness on them. I love the fit. I love how comfortable they are. I love how they're a little bit wide leg, but not too much. I love how they're not dragging on the floor because they're too long and they're too wide. Love, love, love everything about these, right? Let me throw on this coat and show you guys kind of like what I was going for when I was thinking this jacket through. You know, like this oversized fit with these little, in the fall, pumpkin patches. This outfit, maybe not this shirt underneath, but we'll figure that part out. Oh, this is just gonna be awesome. I'm so happy with this. In the jeans, you know how sometimes you get jeans off certain websites and they're like, they look like jeans, but they don't feel like jeans, right? These feel like jeans and they're not super duper stiff and uncomfortable. They already feel like they're like broken, which I love as well. I can't even tell you guys how much I love these pants. They are just so freaking cute. They're a little high-waisted, but not like super high-waisted to where it's like, them are a bit high. You know what I mean? They're like the perfect height. I love, absolutely love everything about these pants. I can't say enough good things about them. I'm honestly shook at how much I love these. Yes. Oh, and my butt looks good. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. All right, so here these shorts are. I'm gonna bring you guys a bit closer. And so I like the shorts, right? There's nothing wrong with them. They're okay, but I don't like them on my body shape, right? There's nothing wrong with the jean shorts. They're really nice quality. They fit very well. They're just, to me, they feel like mom shorts, and I know I'm a mom and a grandmother. I know. But I don't like that new look that we got going on, like that mom look or whatever with the little mom shorts and stuff like that. That's not my style. So I do think that these will look really good on certain body types, but on my body type, I don't know how I feel about them. Oh, but I really like them, but I don't. You know what I mean? I think if I had like a bigger butt, right? Because if I had a bigger butt, it would pull them out a bit more. It would tighten them around like my leg area. And then this little section right here would be brought back a bit and would make them fit a bit more. You know what I mean? So I think it's just that. I think that I need more body yaddy. You know what I mean? It's a my body fault, not the shorts fault. All right, so here is this dress. And as you can see, clearly I'm feeling it because this is cute. This is so much cuter than I thought it was going to be. I'm so glad that I got it this go round because the last time, like I said, I was going to get it and decided not to for whatever reason. And I'm so glad I got this. It's so adorable. Like I said, you can undo this right here. And I have it cinched up pretty high. You can even go higher than that if you want to. Or you can kind of uncinch it and just let it be all the way down and not have that high of a slit. I was just seeing kind of like how high it did go so that we could get an idea for our ladies who want to pull it up real high and for our ladies who want to pull it down real far. It goes both ways. So you can have a really high slit right here, or you can have it like I had it just a minute ago and put it really low. This is a little bit too high. It doesn't need to be that high. I'm gonna pull that bad boy down a little bit. Don't want to show all my bits, you know what I'm saying? But this is absolutely freaking adorable. It's perfect for a beach day. It's perfect for a girl's day. It's perfect for a date night. It's perfect for a lunch date. It's perfect for literally everything you can think of. It's perfect for any occasion, pretty much. All right, we got one more dress to try on. Let's get to it. Oh, she cute. She's feeling herself. She's pretty. She's beautiful. She's sexy. She loves herself. She feels curvy. You know? You know? Yes, absolutely. I feel all of that in a bag of chips in this dress. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, I did get this in a size small. However, just like the last dress, I feel like I could have sized down and got an extra small in both of these items because we do have a good amount of stretch to this. So we got some room, but we got some room in a good way, not a bad way. Because there's, oh my gosh, this dress is so loose. Like I have so much room. There is that type of way, and that's not this. This dress I feel comfortable in. I feel like I can move in it. Do you know what I mean? I feel like, you know, I have room to eat. I have room to walk. I have room to be comfortable. And that, my dear, is something you want when you have a dress like this. I love this. I think the material is absolutely amazing. I love the fact that it has like this, like, ribbing in it, and it's also super silky smooth. It looks like it's sucking me in right here, but it's not because it's super loose, but it looks like it, so it's giving that illusion, you know? It's like snatching everything. Wish I had more curves where I could go, you know what I mean? But hey, we work with what we have because we obviously don't have enough curves to pull some shorts off, but that's okay. Nobody's worried about that. Nobody's worried about that, okay? Absolutely 10 out of 10 for sure. You guys, and that would do it for today's video. I hope you guys liked everything that you saw. I sure did. I'm super happy with everything. Like I said, all the links will be provided down in the description box below for easy one-click shopping. And if you guys want to save while you're shopping on Shewin, go ahead and use my coupon code for $10 off an order of $99 or more. So it is Jessica Horton 10. You guys, happy shopping. All right, you guys, and that would do it. If you guys are not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? Make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. Hit the bell for notifications for every time I upload another video so you won't miss out. And make sure that you guys like this video. Yes, ma'am, yes, sir. And as always, if you guys could do me the biggest favor of all and share this video with a friend, a coworker, uncle, grandma, grandpa, I don't care who you share it with, just share it. All right, you guys, until next time, I hope you're having a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.